So everybody loves eating junk food such as burger, pizzas, noodles or anything. And all these food items contains a lot of calories and fats.
लेक्चर में
जैसे कि
अगर तेरे को जंक फूड खाने का ऑप्शन दिया तो तू कौन सा खाएगा?
So if people are given choice to eat healthy and have the taste similar to other food chains, if not as good as them, they will choose that. And this was the exact idea behind this brand.
Hi sir, welcome to Subway.
So one of the biggest issue when you come to Subway, जब आप पहली बार आते हो, is that कि what to order, and most of the people don't know what are the ingredients used over here, or if they know, they don't know how it tastes. So what you can do is
सर आपका ऑर्डर क्या रहेगा, वेज या नॉन वेज?
वेज वेज वेज
वेज वेज में क्या रहेगा सर मेनू पर? पनीर टिक्का विद वेज डिलाइट, वेज सीख, वेज सम्मी, तंदूरी टोफो विद पनीर टिक्का।
पनीर टिक्का
ओके। ब्रेड सर कौन सा रहेगा, वाइट या ब्राउन?
वाइट
वाइट। उसमें क्या रहेगा सर, चीज़ डबल करना है?
सिंगल
सिंगल। चीज़ एंड टोस्टेड?
टोस्टेड।
ओके सर। वेजिटेबल?
so if you don't know what are the sauces here and the vegetables, you can just ask them कि आप सब नाम लो and we will choose from them. And right now Subway has around 44,000 stores in the whole world, including 800 to 900 in India right now. If you take that into comparison with McDonald's or Burger King, McDonald's has around 250 stores and Burger King has around 270 stores. According to a report in 2014, Subway makes around 4,200 subs in a minute, 3,20,000 subs in an hour, and around 7.6 million subs in a day. And that's quite a huge number. So after it started getting popularity, it went overseas, and now it is in 111 countries out of the 195 independent countries in the world. That is approximately 56% of the world. 56% of the countries in the world have Subway. One of the main thing that differentiates Subway from other fast food restaurants are that it provides many healthy options for people to choose as compared to other fast food restaurants. But अभी दूसरे fast food restaurants भी healthy options provide करने लगे हैं, and usually subs and other ingredients from Subway are high in fiber and protein, but the calories which a Subway has and a McDonald's or a Burger King has are almost the same. Personally, if you ask me to choose between McDonald's, Burger King and Subway, I'll choose this any day because this tastes a lot better than McDonald's and Burger King. That's my opinion. I don't know about others. इसको जितना healthy बोलते हैं, but it also contains a lot of sodium and fat. So, but it tastes so good.
आपको पता है क्या जब सबवे चालू हुआ था उसका नाम क्या था पहले?
सबवे चालू हुआ था
जब सबवे कब चालू हुआ था पता है?
हम लोग बहुत बाद में आए थे, चालू हुआ था।
मतलब ये नहीं, पूरा ऐसे ब्रांड सबवे कब चालू हुआ था मालूम है?
ना नहीं मालूम।
And if you want to buy a Subway franchise in India, the approximately cost would be between 50 lakhs to 90 lakhs. And उसके अलग से कुछ rules and regulations भी होते हैं, जैसे कि if you have any political background or have any criminal case against you, you won't be applicable for the franchise.
You're eating Subway right now? आप सबवे को क्यों प्रेफर करते हो दूसरे फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट के ऊपर?
एक्चुअली सबवे का एक बेसिक तो वेजिटेबल्स और फूड, और ये इसमें तो आप अभी देख रहे हो बाहर कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन में, और क्या है हेल्दी खाना मिलना तो बहुत मुश्किल हुआ है, तो सबवे इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन।
So the only reason you're choosing Subway is because it's healthy, right?
हेल्दी भी है और टेस्ट के मामले में
Taste भी
Subway
अच्छा
को
है।
बीट नहीं कर सकते।
Thank you.
So there is a new Subway store which is going to open over here. It's like 100 meters away from my house, and that's why Subway के इतने franchise है, because it is easy to set up and उसका जो franchise का cost है is also less as compared to McDonald's and other giants, and the annual turnover Subway का is around 1.2 crore to 1.5 crore depending on the area जहाँ पे आपका branch है. Subway started back in 1965, and on the first day of its opening, it itself sold around 312 subs, which is a big deal for a new food chain on its first day. And after it was quite successful in the United States and it went overseas, it came to India in 2001, and the first store which it opened in India was in New Delhi. So this year marks Subway's 20 years in Indian market, and it has already overtaken McDonald's, Burger King and many other fast food restaurants. It's when this food chain was formed, it was not known as Subway in the start. It was called as Peter's Super Submarines, and then they initially turned it into Subway.